Beautiful flowers in my yard. I love them. Every year, it's amazing flowers. It smells so good. My tomatoes is super hot in Florida. My tomatoes not doing so well because it's super hot. But I have a few tomatoes. A tree I have in my backyard. It's the same tree as in front. Nice. I'm gonna make an avocado smoothie. I put one avocado. I put one and a half teaspoon of sugar. I'm gonna put 1 cup of milk. Now I'm gonna blend the avocado and the sugar and the milk together. It's gonna be my smoothie. It's very good. I love it. In the morning for breakfast. I'm making a banana and strawberry smoothie. This is my strawberries. I'm gonna cut them. And this is the banana. I have 1 banana cut ready. And I'm gonna put 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I'm gonna blend. Gonna be my breakfast. I put 5 strawberry and 1 banana, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I'm gonna blend. I like all kinds of different fruits in a smoothie, and I try to have one every morning.